Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. On this video here I'm going to show you how to transfer your funds or assets from Gate.io to Binance. Alright, so let's get started. Head to wallet and withdraw. Here get to select the coin that you want to withdraw and transfer from Gate.io to Binance. If you don't see in here, just type in the name of it. For example, let's say USDT. And select it. Here get to choose the chain that you want to use. It's the network that we will be using to transfer and do a transaction from Gate.io to Binance. So you get to choose whichever that you want, and of course it depends on how much it costs. Alright, each network in here costs differently than the other. For example, if we choose BTC, it says here it will cost 40 USDT, and Ethereum, which is known for having high gas fees, will cost us 53, and Binance Smart Chain 8 USDT. So in here you can see it's free using this one here, it's Tron or TRC20. Click on it, and as you can see it's 0 USDT. So obviously we'll be using this network here to do a transaction and transfer our funds. Okay, but you also need to make sure that this network is available on Binance and selected on the other platform. Alright, because you need to select the same network on both platforms. Alright, so now that we've selected this one, let's head to Binance, go to wallet, and fiat and spot, click on deposit. Let's select the coin. So we have selected USDT on the other platform. Here it is, but if it doesn't appear, the coin that you want or the crypto that you want to transfer doesn't appear here, just type in the name of it, for example like this, and then it appears. Then select it, and now select the network. So if you remember, the network's name is Tron or TRC20, alright, also known as TRX. Alright, if we head back to here to make sure this is it, TRC20. Alright, there are also some other networks in here that we've seen in here. Alright, so that depending on if you are trying to transfer another coin, always try to see and check each of these and see the fees. Alright, if you find any network with lower fees than the others, you get to use it. Alright, just in this case we are using USDT, and this is the one which has lower gas fees in this case here. But let's pretend that you'll be transferring another type of coin, and you might find some other network in here, for example XLM, which has lower gas fees than these other ones, and also available on here. Alright, so as I mentioned before, you always need to make sure that the network is selected on both platforms. So now select TRX, and now copy the address, head back to Gate.io and go to USDT address and paste the address. Now here it says to put in a name, any word that you want, because after you use this address it will be saved on your address book. Alright, so you can put in any word that you want and it will be saved on the address book. So if you want to do another transfer to the same address, if you don't want it, you can just delete it anytime. Alright, here scroll down here and put in the amount that you want to withdraw. So as you can see here, this is the minimum that you can withdraw of USDT, so you need to have greater than 50 USDT to do a withdrawal. Alright, and then depending on the securities that you have set on your account, for doing any actions on your account, for example I have multiple security options. For example, the first one is a code, then an email code. Alright, so depending on what securities options you've activated on your account, it will appear in here, and you just need to put them in there. For example, if it's an email code, you just send it and get to your email and put in the code, and then Google Authenticator and found password. Alright, then submit a request, and that's it. Just click continue, and it will take around 15 to 20 minutes to appear on your Binance and get a notification that you've received your assets, and go to wallet and fiat and spot, and you'll find your assets in there. All right, so this is it. It's easy and simple. Please don't forget to subscribe and like for more content like this, and thank you for watching.